Hello and welcome from Tainan here in Taiwan. I'm in my Airbnb, which I'm going to show you in a second. Tainan is actually the former capital of Formosa, which used to be the former name of Taiwan, the Republic of China. So I'm going to turn the camera around, and this is my Airbnb. I have a bed. It's really hot, but surprisingly comfortable. I have a fridge, I have a TV, a chair, table, and then if we move over here, there's just like this little table and says no sitting. And a view. Look at this view, guys. There is this building in the way, unfortunately, also this wall, but you can see some of it. And there's a temple actually in the center of this shot right now. Let me just zoom in right over there. And then on this side, we have a kitchen. We have a washing machine. So my clothes are hanging here. Another window that doesn't open, unfortunately. And a bathroom. All in all, a pretty decent apartment for €35 or about 40 USD per night. I'm actually staying on the 7th floor of an apartment building, a very local place here in the center of Tainan, just about 10 minutes from the train station. And I'm now off to go to the Himei Museum, which is a very cool place with a very exciting collection. And after that, I'm going to show you the city of Tainan. Let's head out. That's what the street looks like where we're staying. Literally just a normal residential building. Let's get the bus to the Himei Museum. The houses in this city look very different from other Taiwanese cities. They're very small, mostly 1 or 2 story buildings. Lots of tiny, cute businesses in these houses as well. Lots of nice coffee shops, boutiques, beauty salons. Just really, really nice. I'm definitely a big fan of Tainan so far. I've been here for a full day. Today is my second day, so I've seen everything in the city, and it's been fun. Oh, doggo. Hello. Yeah, it's been fun, but I feel like this Himei Museum where I'm going now is a really fun place that is like one of the best museums in the country. So why not? Also, it gives me a chance to show you the local transportation here in Tainan. These garbage trucks play jingles, which is really cool. But we're getting really close to the bus station here. Let's cross the road and then we should be almost there. This is a monument dedicated to Kaohsiung, I think his name is. A religious and military figure here in Taiwan from the, I think, 17th century. And there's his shrine just behind, which we will pass by today. But you can see it from the outside. It's pretty cool. And so is his statue with the sun playing just overhead it. Also, all over Taiwan, you see these rental bikes. Really cool. I love that they're promoting alternative transportations. Actually, I have about 10 minutes to check out this shrine before the bus is here. So let's do that. The park already is stunning. Look at this little tiny bridge crossing the pond. There's a gazebo in the middle. So cute. And there are tiny koi fish as well in here. This is awesome. And that's what it looks like inside the shrine. There he is, Kaohsiung. Let me know if I pronounce his name wrong. I hope not. This is what a Taoist temple looks like here in Taiwan. They're all pretty similar in terms of how they're built. I'll give you guys one more view of the Kaohsiung Shrine, and then we're going to leave and head to the bus stop. The bus should be here in about 7 minutes, maybe. I don't know if you could hear that, but the entire afternoon, fighter jets have been flying overhead Tainan, which is very freaky considering, there's always a possibility of a confrontation with China. There's 2 fighter jets. That's the bus stop over here. I'm gonna just sit down and wait for the bus to arrive. There it comes. This bus also serves as airport bus, which we're gonna pass on the way to the Himei Museum. Let's get on. Not sure how much it's going to be, but let's find out. Right, there's my bus. And there's Himei Museum and the Tainan Metropolitan Park. So let's cross this road, which is more like a highway, and then get into that museum. I still have like an hour and a half to explore before it closes, which should be enough time. And I'm gonna head back and show you guys more of the city. Maybe get dinner, go to the gym. We'll see. Doesn't that look super impressive? It kind of looks like the National Gallery in London. That's just wild. It could be a royal palace, this. So beautiful. This is the Tainan Metropolitan Park that I'm currently inside of right now. The collection inside the museum is pretty much everything you can imagine. They have weapons, they have clothes, they have furniture, they have art, of course, fine art. There's a lot of stuff. And apparently it takes quite a while to explore it. Shame I'm here at 4 p.m, but it's okay. I'm not a big museum person, so I'm going through it pretty quickly. Also, you still hear these fighter jets right in there somewhere. Also, that big tube over there belongs to a factory that has been made into a cultural center, so it's also a museum now. So if you guys have more days than me here in Tainan, I highly recommend going there as well. If you think, oh my god, that building looks so baroque, right? Well, no. This was only built at the end of the last century, so only in the 1990s has this been constructed. Or was it 1980s? I don't remember. But this building has only been here for a few decades, which is crazy because it looks like a French baroque landmark. We're inside, let's get a ticket. It costs 200 to enter, which is around €7. I'm inside the museum now. These are the 2 floors, the layout, and we're starting off with the statues. Anyway, I'm not going to show you too much of the museum, but just a little vibe check. That was the Himei Museum. Honestly, one of the coolest museums I've ever been to. It's not like there's a lot to see, but everything they've put on display is just really well selected. You can learn a lot because everything has an explanation written next to it. And this whole museum is just so tastefully curated. This was the permanent exhibition. There's also a special one. The price for this one was 200 new Taiwanese dollars. The price for the special exhibition is 400, so double, which I don't think it's necessarily worth it, although I don't know what the special exhibition looks like, but I can't imagine it's going to be any cooler than this. They had fine art on the second floor, they had modern art, they had musical instruments, there was a weapons section at the very beginning, there were animals, so I don't know if they were stuffed animals, but they had all types of animals. Both the weapons and the musical instruments feature some exhibits from various parts of the world, not just Asia or Europe, but also Africa, Oceania, South America. It's really, really cool to see. Anyway, I'm heading to the train station now. I'm going to take a local train that will take me back to the city. I've taken the bus to get here, but I think it will be interesting to mix things up. Also, I need to buy a train ticket at the station. That will take me to Kaohsiung tomorrow, the next city, the last city actually I'm going to. So that's why I'm taking the train now. But here's one more look of the Himei Museum for you guys. And if you have literally just one day here in Tainan, I highly recommend coming here. This is literally, I've been to so many museums. I've been to the Louvre, I've been to the Prado, the Museum Tchaikovsky Galleria in Moscow, I've been to the Zwingli in Dresden, Uffizi in Florence. I've been to so many cool museums, and this is just one of the best, without a doubt. Top 5. This walk to the local train station here is giving Taiwanese small town vibes. It really does. It's very pretty. To be fair, there's still like a large construction site in front of me, so maybe not super small town, but still. I think this place is called Bow Wow or something, and it's just one station away from the Tainan main train station, and it should take only like 6 minutes to get there. I'm definitely getting a bit hungry, so let's grab dinner as well when I get to the train station. There are some cool Indonesian restaurants around, but I could also go for some Hainanese chicken rice. Any of that works. We'll just see what we'll find, really. Let's see if we can get a train ticket here. I haven't bought a local train ticket outside of a big station yet. Hopefully they have a machine or a counter. Thank the Lord. And with that, I have arrived at the historic, beautiful Tainan train station. Unfortunately, it is under scaffoldings, which I mean is a good thing. It will be even more beautiful after the renovation is done. But that was a really cool train ride. Only 6 minutes, very smooth. I managed to get on that train that just arrived at the station. Getting a ticket was a breeze. Yeah, now I'm gonna get a ticket for tomorrow because I'm going to Kaohsiung, and then I'm gonna go have dinner. Alright, I got my train ticket to Kaohsiung. That was 106 new Taiwanese dollars, which is around 3.5 USD. Really not bad at all. For tomorrow, 12:40 p.m., 11 a.m. is my checkout time, so it gives me enough time to grab a coffee and get myself to the train station. And now I'm going to cross this road to get some Indonesian food for dinner, because that's what I've been craving. And this area next to the train station seems to be very heavy on Indonesians, which is good. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'm back in my accommodation, I had dinner, I went to the gym. Gym here was 190 new Taiwanese dollars, which is around 6 USD. So not the cheapest, but also not horribly priced. Definitely was fine for what it was. But yeah, I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to Kaohsiung tomorrow, so there will be one more video here from Taiwan, I think. And I'm going to go to the next country, which it will probably be out before I post Taiwan. Just because I want to get that next country that I'm so excited about out earlier. to you guys. Please leave a like, please subscribe, and I'm gonna see you all in the next video from Kaohsiung. Bye for now.